Oh, yeah? Come on there and say that to my face. Huh? Hey, if you're such a big man, bring your butt over here. Heck no, you come over here. I'm not going over there. You come over here. You big coward. Yeah, I'm talking to you, big mama's boy. Little baby or something. Wimp. You a girl? A pretty little girl, right? Princess? Oh my gosh, it's coming over. What are you doing? I better warn you, dude. I kick karate. Of course I'm serious. Been taking lessons for 3 years. Sure have. 3 days a week after school. And I got a couple of belts too, see? So if you want to back off, I understand. Sure wouldn't want to meet if I was you. Yeah, I just slowly back away and forget the whole thing. I just, hey, did you hear that? I think it's your mother calling. No, I'm not crazy. Hear it? That's your mother calling. No, it's not my mother. It's your mother. It's not. Well, maybe the best thing to do is to just check home and come back after supper. No, you get here at 7 o'clock sharp. Don't worry about me. I'll be there. Yeah? Yeah? Oh, yeah? Yeah.
Besándome